Welcome and thank you. Okay, I'm using the light of my camera here because it's dark in here. I can't remember if this door opens or not, but I don't really need it open. Basically, this is 4 feet of sheetrock right here. So, really the easiest thing to do is to replace 4 feet of sheetrock. Pull off that whole piece, put a whole brand new piece. You can see the stain is about 1.5 feet. Pretty solid. And so the other option, it's a little higher down here, but the other option is just to replace half of that, so like 2 foot. But in some of these areas, you're gonna get into that bad sheetrock because you can see it's been wet up to here. Wet up to here. Where's my hand? Yeah, there you go, wet up to here. That's the stain, but the water wetness has been up to here. So if you just replace 2 foot, it's gonna get into a pain in the butt. 4 foot, I just take out the old piece, put the new piece in. Okay, here's the other thing. There's a repair right here. This part is sheetrock, so it's a jimmied sheetrock repair there. Because this part is wood, so that's plywood. Possibly there's a shelf on the other side, or I don't know, but it's plywood. This is busted up to here, so that's a good reason to replace that. Some more holes there. Okay, I'm gonna quit rambling so I can get this video posted. But that's my advice, is 4 foot of sheetrock. And so we have, here's another patch right here, but on this one I can cut. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. But this one, that's a complete hole down there, so gotta be replaced. So that's my recommendation. I can cut that, come right across here with 4 foot, and you can see, you count 4 of these, and that is 8 foot. So, got 6 inches here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So because of this pole right here, that's basically 2 pieces there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So, it's easily 4 pieces. It's probably a little more than 4 pieces. I'm thinking we need to get 5 pieces because of, possibly this final cut here, or like removing this. Probably the best thing to do would be to remove that. It's pretty sturdy, so you don't have to, but I can cut around it, or we would have to remove the whole piece, and that means this is 4 foot, this is 5 foot. All right, so I hope I've explained all that properly. I'd have to get 5 pieces of sheetrock, and oh, the other thing is you got this metal. So you're screwing into metal, you're not hammering into or screwing into wood. So I got that, and the sheetrock part, replacing it, I should be able to get done in a day, but that wouldn't include picking it up. Doesn't sound like it, but trust me, it takes freaking 2 hours just to get there, get it paid for, loaded up, strapped down. All right, I want to show you a couple of things really fast. Mainly this door. That's why I didn't open it and show you from the other side. But this door's been like this since yesterday, and I don't want to open it because, not without you here, because I don't want that like falling off of the track on my watch. So I prefer you to be here when I open that, take a look at that door. But so there's that door. What else was there? Oh, here's this. Back behind that caulking there is a 5 there it is, 5-gallon paint sticks. So the large paint sticks, the thick ones. There's also cardboard behind that, And then I put a whole thing of Gorilla Glue on this top paint stick to make it stick down here and up here to the brick in the back. And then it's got a whole tube of caulking kind of shoved in there. So that's gonna be enough support to support my concrete, and that's what I'm after. And I don't mean support it just today or, you know, for painting, but for years to come. That's the best I can think of. It's gonna have to, you know, have some support just to stay in there. Okay, these doors are primed. Thank you. Here's what I'm doing tonight is I've caulked in these larger spaces here like this earlier today, just so it can support the caulking that I need to put in it now. So that's what's going on. I put that in there earlier today, and now I'm gonna finish. All of these large cracks have to be done tonight. All right, thank you very much.